Lesson 5, homework question number 11. Mean, median, or mode? Which would be the most appropriate for summarizing the typical number of hours the students below studied for an exam? The three options are the median, because most of the values are similar, but there are a few values that are much higher than the rest. The second, the mode, because there are lots of repeated values. Third, the mean, because all of the values are very similar. So if we scroll down to see all of our data points here, we have 0, 3s, 5, 1, 4, all the way up to 7, and in between. If we wanted to do some calculations and visualizing of these, we can copy and paste them into Excel over here, and we can find the mean, median, and mode. And because it's talking about the spread of the data, we can also arrange these from low to high. I'm going to do this by first, we'll expand this and go to sort from smallest to largest. It's going to ask me if I want to expand the selection, meaning if it moves this from smallest to largest, the coordinating values over here will also move. I don't need to do that, so I'm just going to say just move these ones here with the current selection. Okay, from low to high, and that shows me right here that I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the mode, or the median, and the mode actually will be the same. The mean will be different, but we can just go ahead and put that in here anyway. Equals average, open parenthesis, find the average here, equals median, whoops, back in and open the parenthesis, then press enter, and mode equals mode, open parenthesis, and again select these, and this is just for our own benefit. Let's go back to looking at this. Here we have, it tells us the median because most of the values are similar. We actually have quite a few right here around 3. From 2 to 4 it's not very varied. We do have some higher values, but they're not that dramatically more from our pretty significant 3 in the median and mode here. So I'm not going to say that they're too much higher, and we do have the 0 down here, so it's not taking into account that we actually have some really low here. So I'm not going to go with median. The mode, however, we do have a lot of repeated values in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are all 3 hours. So that's actually looking really good. So I'm going to select that for now. We'll go to the next one. The mean, because all of the values are very similar. Actually, we have a couple that are really low and a few that are really high, and as you can see, it does bring the mean up higher than what we ended up with the median and mode. Now, while median and mode here are the same, the definitions and the reasons are why we're going to go with a different versus one or the other. And because mode ends up showing up so frequently here, and we don't have anything too terribly high or low for the median, I'm going to go ahead and select mode, and we can check that on how did I do. Excellent, and we can move to the next one.